Hello, I'm Masaru. This time, I will introduce mackerel simmered in miso. This dish is one of the most popular fish dishes in Japan and is often prepared at home. Mackerel can be very tasty if it is properly prepped. Today, I will give you tips on how to prepare the fish, so please watch the video to the end. If you like this video, please click the thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel. I would be very happy if you could write your opinions and impressions in the comments section. Details of ingredients and quantities are given in the summary section. Okay, so let's get started with the cooking. First, remove some of the bones from the mackerel. In Japan, mackerel is sold without bones, but I recommend mackerel with bones in as it is more delicious. You don't have to take it off completely, it is okay to some extent. Cut into the skin of the mackerel. This will help the flavors soak in. Remove the dorsal fin of the mackerel as it causes a bad odor. Sprinkle salt on both sides and let stand for about 10 minutes. This will remove some of the excess water. Meanwhile, boil water and prepare the ginger. These will help remove the mackerel's odor. Slice the ginger. Cut the other half into strips and use as a condiment. Pour boiling water over the mackerel to remove the odor. Make sure to pour boiling water on the other side as well. Then, immediately soak it in cold water. This prevents the mackerel from losing its flavor. Then wash the mackerel in the water to remove any dirt. Do this gently and carefully so as not to smear the mackerel meat to pieces. Wipe the moisture thoroughly with kitchen paper. Any residual moisture will cause a foul odor. By the way, the dirt on mackerel looks like this. Next, let's boil the mackerel. Add water, sake, mirin, and sugar to the pot. When the water comes to a boil, add the mackerel, skin side up. Cook the mackerel with the skin facing up, as it is easier to peel the skin off when the mackerel is skin side down. Pour the broth over the top and bring to a simmer. Add the ginger. At this time, please remove the scum even if it is troublesome. Cover with kitchen paper and simmer over low-medium heat for 5 minutes. While the mackerel is boiling, prepare the miso sauce. Add miso, soy sauce, and water in which mackerel was boiled to a bowl and mix well. You can use any kind of miso you like. Miso tends to form lumps, so you can prevent it by adding the water in which the mackerel was boiled in advance. Five minutes have passed. Add this miso sauce to the pot. Pour the miso sauce over the mackerel so that the flavors soak in easily. Cover it with aluminum foil like this. This is called a droplet. Using a droplet like this will allow the broth to permeate the entire fish, giving it an even flavor. If you don't use a droplet, the flavor will only permeate the underside of the fish, so be careful. Simmer over low to medium heat for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, remove the aluminum foil and simmer for 2 minutes. You can eat it as is, but if you leave it in the refrigerator overnight, the flavors will soak in even more and the mackerel will have a deeper taste. The classic Japanese fish dish, simmered mackerel and miso, is now complete with a rich miso aroma. Now, let's eat.